The meat can be chicken, beef, or goat, and it's typically served with a side of rice or bread. One of Niger's most unique dishes is gari, which is a type of flour made from cassava. This flour is used to make a variety of dishes, including porridge and dumplings, and it's a staple food in many parts of the country. Lastly, miya is a popular soup that's made from vegetables and spices, and typically served with rice or bread. The soup can be made from a variety of ingredients, including okra, pumpkin, and spinach, and it's a nutritious and flavorful meal. In conclusion, Niger's cuisine is a reflection of its diverse cultural traditions and unique geography. From the porridge-like jerma and rice dumplings of tuwo to the grilled meats of fei koi, Niger's traditional foods are filling, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. From the porridge-like jerma and rice dumplings of tuwo to the grilled meats of fei koi. Niger's traditional foods are filling, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. If you ever have the opportunity to visit Niger, be sure to try some of these delicious dishes and experience the rich flavors of this unique country. Some other notable dishes in Niger include riz au gras, which is a rice dish cooked in a tomato-based sauce with vegetables and meat. And zarma, a dish made from millet flour that is mixed with water to form a paste and served with a variety of sauces. In addition, gamba, a dish made from dried okra, is a traditional food in the Zarma region of Niger. It's typically served with a side of millet or rice and is often enjoyed as a snack or light meal. Niger also has a variety of sweet treats and desserts, including beignets, which are fried donuts often flavored with vanilla or cinnamon. And yassa, a sweet cake made from millet flour, sugar, and eggs. Overall, Niger's cuisine is diverse and flavorful, and it reflects the country's unique cultural and geographic landscape. Whether you're trying traditional dishes like jerma and tuwo, or indulging in sweet treats like beignet, Niger's cuisine offers a variety of delicious and satisfying foods for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're trying traditional dishes like jerma and tuwo, or indulging in sweet treats like beignet. Niger's cuisine offers a variety of delicious and satisfying foods for everyone to enjoy. In addition to traditional dishes, Niger also has a variety of beverages that are popular throughout the country. One of the most common is bissap, a sweet and tart drink made from hibiscus flowers. Bissap is often served cold and is a refreshing way to beat the heat in Niger's hot climate. Another popular beverage in Niger is dowa, which is a millet-based drink that's often enjoyed during the Muslim holy month of Ramadan. It's typically served at sunset to break the day's fast and is known for its sweet, nutty flavor. Lastly, chicory is a fermented milk beverage that's popular in the northern regions of Niger. It's made by mixing milk with a special starter culture and letting it sit for a few days until it becomes thick and tangy. Chicory is often enjoyed as a refreshing drink on hot days or served as a side dish with meals. Overall, Niger's cuisine offers a unique and flavorful experience that's influenced by the country's geography, climate, and cultural traditions. From traditional dishes like jerma and tuwo to refreshing beverages like bisop and chikri, Niger's food and drink reflect the rich diversity of this West African nation. From traditional dishes like jerma and tuwo to refreshing beverages like bisop and chikri. Niger's food and drink reflect the rich diversity of this West African nation. Niger has a rich street food culture with a variety of delicious and affordable options available throughout its cities and towns. One popular street food is brochettes, which are skewered pieces of meat grilled over an open flame. The meat used can vary, but it's usually beef, chicken, or goat. Another popular street food in Niger is dakuwa, which is a snack made from roasted peanuts, millet, and sometimes sesame seeds.